Hey guys, you guys are gonna be watching Paul repair the sprinklers today. Oh, and the front yard. He already finished the backyard, guys.
Okay, so we're gonna go up the hill to work on the sprinklers. This little flower bed I just put in this winter. So I'm just trying to get the sprinklers all dialed in. So the first thing I'll show you is my tools.
See
I've got
the tape?
some duct tape.
Some duct tape, yes.
Don't usually need that, but it's good to have. And then I have lots of spare sprinkler parts. And this part here is the most important part for our project, because this filters out the dirt. And our sprinklers, they pull water out of the lake, so they pull up some dirt when they get that water. So I got various sprinkler parts. Then I have this little bowl of water.
Aren't you telling this for whoever's gonna watch?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Okay.
But I didn't know you had duct tape.
Yeah, duct tape. I haven't used the duct tape since you got here, buddy. Oops. So, and then we also have a toothbrush. And this helps us clean some of the parts.
Yes, it does.
Okay, so let's take a look at these sprinklers over here.
All right, guys, this is the first sprinkler you're ever going to see getting repaired in a video.
So, if you look closely,
With
you
us.
can see there's a hose here, 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 but this hose got disconnected. So, we're just gonna hook it back up.
Yeah?
And
Everyone's watching.
because our water pressure is high, sometimes those things slip off. And so that's where the duct tape comes in. So we're just gonna take a little bit of
Get a
duct
closer
tape.
look, guys. I'm giving you guys a closer look. I'm giving them a closer look, Paul.
That's awesome, buddy. They'll like having that nice close look. So I just pull off a little strip of duct tape, about like that.
Oh, and if you didn't know, it's me and Paul on our channel. See Paul? He's right there. See me? I'm right here. Of course, it's me. Of course, I'm recording again.
Mm-hmm. And then you just take the tape and you attach the sprinkler
You know what?
to the hose.
You guys are going to be seeing more of these videos in your life by us.
Yep.
Kate and Paul. And you know what? I'm probably going to have the first golden play button. But you know what? Paul's going to, you're going to have a golden play button. I'm going to have a golden play button. Dad's going to have a golden play button. Mom's going to have a golden play button. And Graham's going to have a golden play button. All of us are going to have golden play buttons.
Cool.
You know what, Paul? You can watch our videos. You can watch this video when we're done
Cool.
recording.
Yeah. I wonder how many views this one will get.
I think we need likes to get a golden play button.
Oh, a
And
certain amount of likes. Okay.
But you know what? First I'm going to get a silver play button.
Silver first.
And then you'll get golden. But
Okay.
there's probably something even better.
Okay, I'm gonna do just a little bit more tape so that these don't fall off again.
Look. That was just my hand, guys.
Do you think this tape will help make this stay on, buddy?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry for that interruption, guys.
Okay, so we did all 4 of them, and I'm just doing a second piece of tape on them to make it last a little longer. And I'm overlapping some of them.
Look, I'm just putting that there for them to watch.
Okay.
Do you think they like it?
I think so. And then I think this will be, let's see, is that all of them? Maybe
Yeah,
Maybe just do one more on this.
Everyone, this is going to be your best video.
Okay, so we got that done. Now let's keep looking at the end of these little lines. See how they're doing. Okay, so we come over here. And these look pretty good. They're just sitting here. They got their little spikes in them, and they're sitting next to the plants. Plants look nice, right?
Yeah. Everything's better now.
There's a little bit on the flower. For some reason, one of the plants died. But
Oh, guys, see? Oh, hey guys, see? There's a plant dead.
yeah, so we'll pull this one out.
That's sad. Right, guys?
That looks like it's just about dead. But that's okay. At least it's not our big plant. It's just a little plant.
Yeah, we need the big plants. And you know what? This is the biggest plant, guys. Which isn't really a plant. It's a tree.
Yeah, these look pretty good.
Aren't plants not really trees, Paul?
And then let's look at the tree. It's got a little watering thing on it too. And the tree looks nice, right?
Yeah, it's even bigger than me, guys.
Okay, so we can go down here. We're now
On
got
to that.
all of the backyard, and the backyard has more sprinklers than the front yard.
That's perfect.
We got that one done. So we only have a few more. This is going to be maybe the most interesting part. Is when you
Of the video, right?
Ooh, that's tight. Yes. Got it.
Look, they're looking at your hair, Paul.
Oh, that's hilarious. I wonder if anybody is going to be interested in my hair. Look at this, Kate. So I took this, I unscrewed this off of here. You showing them this?
Nope. Sorry.
I unscrewed this off of the big tall gray pipe, and then there's this little plastic thing in there, and look at how full of dirt it is.
Yeah, ew.
So
This is when Paul cleans.
yep, we take it and we put it in there
Boom.
in the water, and we use the toothbrush.
Everyone's gonna love this. Everyone's probably gonna like. Look, this is a project that they're doing.
I
Look,
like
there's
that.
a glitch on the screen. There's a glitch on the screen, Paul.
The glitch is your hand, you silly.
Yeah, I'm just trying to trick them with the glitch.
And I got it. Extra
Sorry for
one
that
from Gold.
annoying.
Okay, so then I put that back in. Put the little plastic thing back in the hole.
Everyone,
And then
we're almost done. This video is gonna be
Back.
done soon.
back on. And then you have to, if you look on the top, you can see the little lines. The lines on the top tell you where the water comes out. And so I'm aiming it towards the plants. And I think I might need, well, I think that's pretty good. Let's go on to the next one.
Oh yeah.
Here's one. Usually the sprinklers are pretty easy to find. And then sometimes while I'm out here, I'll do things like find a big weed. Look at this weed. Look how big it is.
Pull it.
And I pull it out.
Sorry, there's a monster on the screen.
Look at how big that weed is.
Yeah, it's huge. Hey guys, can I throw it?
Yeah. Okay.
Wasn't that a good throw?
Very good throw. Okay, do you think this one might have any dirt in it?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Okay, I unscrew it, just like I did the other one, and look at that.
Yeah, that's much dirty.
A lot of dirt.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just take it, let it soak in there, rinse out the other parts, and I'm gonna just get another one that's already clean. And
You're smart, Paul. Ah! There's a flying poop.
what's that?
I said there was a flying poop.